Television dramas like Suits have captivated audiences around the world with their portrayal of the fast-paced, high-stakes world of legal battles. But sometimes what we see on screen can be misleading, especially when it comes to legal procedures like cross-examination. Today, we'll be debunking 5 myths about cross-examinations, often propagated by TV shows like Suits. Stay with us as we separate legal fact from fiction. To begin, let's consider the first myth, that cross-examinations always involve intense rapid-fire exchanges that resemble a duel of wits. Television shows often dramatize this part of the trial process to heighten suspense, portraying attorneys as relentless interrogators keen on tripping up witnesses. In reality, cross-examinations can indeed be confrontational, but they are far more methodical and calculated. Attorneys prepare their questions carefully in advance, focusing on undermining the witness's credibility without unnecessary theatrics. The goal is to extract helpful information and expose inconsistencies in the testimony, rather than creating a spectacle. Secondly, there's the common misconception that lawyers can consistently extract startling confessions from witnesses during cross-examination. In shows like Suits, this is a staple dramatic device, where a witness blurts out the truth, dramatically shifting the case's momentum. However, in real life, surprise revelations are rare. Legal teams have usually conducted extensive interviews and depositions before a trial, so any explosive confession would have likely already been discovered. The essence of cross-examination is to capitalize on evidence gathered pre-trial and skillfully persuade the jury or judge through logical questioning. Now, let's move to the third myth, that objections are constant interruptions thrown around liberally by lawyers during cross-examination. In TV series, the term objection is hurled frequently in courtroom scenes, often followed by heated exchanges and dramatic jury reactions. Contrary to this depiction, objections are strategic tools used to ensure the rules of evidence are upheld. They must be used judiciously to maintain credibility with the court. An attorney who overuses objections risks annoying the judge and jury, potentially undermining their case. Each objection must be rooted in specific legal grounds, such as relevance or hearsay. As we delve deeper, myth number 4 suggests that cross-examination is the decisive, all-important element that resolves legal cases. Popular culture often magnifies the role of the dramatic courtroom moment, suggesting the entire trial hinges on a lawyer's performance during cross-examination. In truth, while it is an important component of a trial, many other elements play an equally crucial role in determining the outcome. Opening statements, evidence presentation, witness examinations, and closing arguments all contribute significantly to the case's overall narrative. A successful litigation strategy is multifaceted and relies on building a strong, cohesive argument through all these parts. Finally, let's debunk the 5th myth, that only the most eloquent and charismatic lawyers can conduct effective cross-examinations. Television tends to idolize the lawyer who has the gift of gab, displaying persuasive eloquence and dramatic flair. Real-life courtroom success is not solely the domain of charismatic attorneys. Effective cross-examinations hinge on preparation, knowledge of the case, and a clear strategy. Lawyers must understand the nuances of human behavior and ask the right questions at the right moments. Precision, rather than panache, often has a greater impact on the outcome. In conclusion, while shows like Suits can make the world of law seem thrilling and compelling, they often blur the lines between reality and fiction. Cross-examinations are serious legal procedures that demand rigorous preparation, strategic questioning, and professional conduct. Although they're not the spotlight-grabbing dramatic duels portrayed on TV, they are powerful tools in shaping a case's outcome. Understanding these distinctions enriches our appreciation of legal dramas, acknowledging both their entertainment value and the importance of accurate depictions of the judicial process. As we continue to enjoy our favorite legal shows, let's keep in mind the real-life complexities and subtleties of the law. Thank you for watching, stay informed, and see you next time for more enlightening myth-busting insight.